Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this camping kitchen utensil set. So let's open this up. I love that it comes in this cool little pack. It's got a cute little carrying handle on it. Let's open that up. See what we get. So yeah, we get a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so it looks like that is a cleaning cloth. You get a glove. You get a pair of camping scissors. That's cool, like poultry scissors. So you get kind of like a scooper. So that's pretty cool. I guess we'll take everything out of plastic. So that's a piece of like serving tongs. Got a fork. Got a knife. Got a spoon that comes with that as well. You got your can opener, bottle opener, open a bottle of wine, that'll take your wrapper off the wine bottle for you, your corkscrew, so very handy little tool when you go camping and you got some adult beverages. Okay, so this is your knife, and it comes with a sheath on it as well. So, very neat. Got a little cutting board in here. Plastic cutting board, so that's good. Easy to clean. So that's just that one side. So on this side, you have your salt and your pepper. Or you actually probably put whatever spices you want in there. To give you kind of an idea, kind of have like a wide opening. But that's great. Store it in there. You have your larger barbecue fork. Your little spatula. Hey, there's like tons of stuff in here. You got like your ladle, food serving. So, I mean, that's great. So, it all fits in here nice. I mean, this is a nice put together set. And they're lightweight too. So what I mean is like these handles are hollow. They've kind of they've bent the metal in a way that it makes it like lighter, so there's like less metal. So when you're traveling, it definitely is a lot better. So let's put that away. That's your knife. I like that the knife has its own little compartment. But yeah, what a great kit for when you go camping. Basically have everything set here. You got this other pocket. Put your fork and knife and all that stuff in here. Serving spoon. You got your cloth in there, and you got your gloves that you can help you just grip on this stuff, keep your hands nice, clean, and sanitary. And that is your knife there. And I said this. I think this actually goes up on this side. Like that. Probably more in the middle. You got your fork. Okay. And then it folds nice put together in this cool little carrying case. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and safe camping out there.